Samsung's mobile chief TM Roh is working closely with the One UI 7 development team to ensure that the upcoming Android 15-based interface for Galaxy devices meets the highest standards. According to an insider, Roh has been dedicating substantial time to overseeing the progress of this update. One UI 7, built on Android 15, aims to enhance the software experience for users. Roh, as the head of Samsung's mobile experience business, is personally involved in its development to guarantee top-notch quality for Galaxy users. Renowned leaker Ice Universe reported that TM Roh is placing special emphasis on making sure this update delivers a premium experience. The company is currently testing the alpha version of One UI 7, with plans to launch the beta program for the Galaxy S24 series once the software reaches a stable state. At Samsung's developer conference on October 3rd, the One UI vice president is expected to showcase the new features of One UI 7. The update is projected to begin rolling out to flagship models by late October. Samsung has begun rolling out the One UI 6.1.1 update for the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. Along with this, they have shared a list of devices slated to receive the update and the expected release timeline. As anticipated, this update will be focused on high-end Galaxy devices, including those from the Galaxy S, Galaxy Tab S, and Galaxy Z series. The One UI 6.1.1 update will be available for the following devices: Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, Galaxy S23 Ultra, Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S9, Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Z Fold 5. That is for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.